In next 2 to 3 minutes we will see NumPy sorting and searching methods. Okay, what we are going to see? NumPy dot sort, NumPy dot argument sort, where condition and unique condition. You can see the example also. When we do sort, this happens. Argument sort show the index order that sorts the array. Okay, it shows the index. Okay, next is where condition and removes duplicate. 331 3 is removed. Let us see the output now. Okay, this is the code. Great. Origin array 85 70, this is 1D array. Print mass, what is the output? I get 85 70 95 60 90 as it is. Sort the array in ascending order, low to high. NP dot sort marks. When I say this, it gets saved in sorted marks. When I print sorted marks, I get the output 60 70 80 85. So here topper is the last index -1. Okay, when I print sorted marks -1, I get a topper. Sorted -2, I get a second topper. -3, third topper. Okay, next is sort in descending order. So for that, np dot sort marks, here you add this, all the elements in reverse the sorted array. That's it. You just append, remember this syntax. Okay, you sort in which order? Descending order. Topper is in sorted descending 0. Second topper sorted descending 1. Okay, next is understand the NP argument sort. NP argument sort tells us the index position that would sort the array. Okay, it does not sort the array itself, it shows where each value would go if sorted it. So here np dot argument sort marks. So when I say this, okay, index position of the sorted element. So what is the index position when I sort this element? So here initially my index is here 85. When I sort these 85 will go at position 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3 position. 70 will go at first position. So when I see this, okay, what I do, I just copy this because it's difficult to understand. So what I do, I just copy this, Control C, I just go to the command prompt. Okay, I go to the shell, Control V. Okay, and here I just copy this position. Okay, I just sort this element. Okay, np dot sort, Control V. Okay, print sorted marks, Control V, I get output. Next is positions equal to np dot sort, Control V, and next is positions of this positions, Control V. Now see here 85 position is 0. This is the initial array. When this array gets sorted, this is the final array. In this array, what is the position of 85? Is here. This is 0 1 2 3. So I get here 3. 85 position is 3. 70 position is 0 1 here. 95 position is here last 4. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4. 95 position is 60 70 80 85 90. Okay, 4, correct. 60 position is 0 position. 80 position is 0 1 2. Okay, so like that I get positions, means when the array will be sorted, what is the positions in the original array, that I get in this argument sort. This is very important functions, argument sort. So in this way we have used this argument sort. You just check it, the same example here. Okay, sorted array, index position 314052, maximum mark 60, index 3. Okay, next is find students who scored more than 80 marks. So for that, np.array marks equal to 80. Okay, marks equal to 80. What I get? Students who scored more than 80. If I run this code, see the output. Control V, and here I copy this and see the output. Greater than 80, 0, 2, 5, 0, 1, less than 80, 2, greater than 80, yes, less than 80, less than 80, 5. Okay, so here I get all the index whose value is greater than 80. Okay, I do one more thing, Control V, and I write here suppose 90, enter, and I write. So how many values are there? Check it. Only one. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Greater than 90, 95. All are less than 90. So this is a very important value. Okay, do not skip. np.where. Next is np.unique. It eliminates the duplicates. Means what? Here, if you see duplicates, is the duplicates are present? Yes. If there are duplicates are present, then it will remove the duplicates. Okay. What unique will do? Unique removes duplicate if any. कुछ duplicate है यहाँ पर? Any duplicates are there? नहीं है. अगर रहेंगे तो क्या होगा? Okay, I just do one thing. I just copy this. Okay, Control C, Control V, or I just put here 90, 85. Okay, and I just run this code and check it. Unique marks. Okay, and I print unique marks. See the results. You will not find the duplicates. 85 is there. 85 is there. There is 85 only one time. 90, 90, 90 only one time. So what unique do? It removes the duplicates. Clear? Eh? And find top 3 marks. So sort in increasing order, and you get okay last 3 index. In this way, okay, मैं क्या करता हूँ, इसको कॉपी करता हूँ. Copy this. Okay, and that's it. Print top 3. What you get? See. Control V. 90, 95, 90. Okay. अगर मैं उल्टा करता हूँ तो क्या होगा बताओ? अगर मैं ऐसा करता हूँ क्या होगा बताओ? If I use sort, I remove this. तो अभी क्या होगा? Print top 3. ठीक है. अभी इसमें क्या आ गया? टॉपर कहाँ पर है भाई? Print top 3. लास्ट टॉपर कहाँ पर है? -1. I get 95. सेकंड टॉपर कहाँ पर है? -2. थर्ड टॉपर कहाँ पर है भाई? -3. अगर मुझे तीनों प्रिंट करें तो क्या होगा? कैसे करने पड़ेंगे बताओ? बहुत सिंपल है. -1 to -4. Sorry, -1. So here top 3 -3 all elements. This is -1, -2, -3 all the elements from -3, -2, -1. I get this topper. Okay. So in this way we have covered this example. And this is the output. Original array, sorted marks, index position. Okay, great. In next video we will see which method: comparison and logic, then reshaping, boolean indexing, saving. Okay, thank you.